In our last video, we show you how we brought fabrication under one roof with customer service and our warehouse team. Now we're going to look at what that actually gives you as a grower. As of January 1st, 2026, current pricing reflects a 15% reduction from prior levels. This may change as steel is a commodity market, but as of January 1st, 2026, through the first quarter, you will see this lower price reflected. And we have found a way to keep everything US made, decrease prices, and up our quality. Watch through to the end of this video for a giveaway announcement that additionally helps someone start strong this season. Fabrication is close to design and testing, so decisions move faster and any improvements or changes are caught sooner. Nothing waits in another facility, and feedback does not get delayed through layers. This keeps responsibility close to the people who answer the questions and build the equipment. Growing food for production has real consequences when equipment fails. Lost planting windows and delayed harvest create pressure you cannot ignore. Our knowledgeable support and customer service in our tech line means answers without long wait times. It's US based, by people who have farmed before or are currently farming or take gardening very serious. Custom links and multiple widths protect you from layout compromises that weaken frames or airflow. A la carte items let you match ventilation, reinforcement, shade, and other options to your climate instead of guessing. In-house fabrication keeps costs low, special buy inventory stocked direct from the steel mills, and quality controlled in one place at our bootstrap farmer staffed warehouse means that DIY kits ship the next day, and all metal kits ship within 3 to 4 days, so your projects stay on schedule. NRCS standards are met for all Metal USA kits, so funding paths remain open for qualified growers. Guides, charts, linked videos lower confusion when making purchasing decisions, pre-delivery, assembly, and after the build as you grow. Because you work 7 days a week, so do we. Our US-based customer service means that we can pick up the call, and we also have our tech team on standby on the weekends, and so as you're building, expertise advice over the phone to help you with any issues you may have in the field is always available. In-house custom cutting of 4-year rated greenhouse film and shade removes third-party delays and prevents ordering mistakes. Our ability to bulk buy and cut from master rolls additionally saves you cost without compromising quality. Free shipping to lower 48s on all hoop houses and all orders over $75 removes hidden cost. All of our steel hoops, doors, door frames, and bracing material are finished in-house to control consistency and help keep items in stock. Steel is purchased in bulk, so material cost is reduced, and in a time where inflation cost and materials are hitting everything, we're doing the thing that nobody else is doing. We're lowering prices. And since day one of our hoop houses, USA produced steel for our hoops, hip, base, doors, and bracing are galvanized, 16 gauge clear coated, and made from US sourced raw material, turned into tubing at the mills, and fabricated right at our warehouse. Now, because we were able to move all of our fabrication in-house, we have a bunch of new kit variants. I'm going to take a little bit of time and go over the differences of each one. If you have additional questions, please call our tech line for the best available prices. New for 2026, the Shade House. A steel frame structure designed to protect crops from heat and sun stress while maintaining airflow for warm season production and propagation. Standard base kit includes the steel frame and the hardware. Shade cloth is purchased separately, so you may choose the percentage and the color options for your needs. It's designed as a standalone shade workspace or crop protection space. Things you can add are additional shade layers, landscape fabric, reinforcement options, and extended length configurations. Also new for 2026, our Essential Round Hoop House. A foundational kit with the basics to keep startup costs low. This is our way to have an apple-to-apple comparison to a lot of kits that are out there on the market that don't include everything in our all-metal kits, and which we'll talk about here in a minute. What comes standard with the base kit is steel frames and end walls. The end walls consist of vertical uprights, all of the hardware you need, 6mm 4-year greenhouse film, all designed for basic protection. Options include single doors, double doors, shade, landscape fabric, reinforcement bracing, repair tape, and extended links. Our essential kits are just like other kits on the market, in which you're going to buy your hip board and baseboard locally. The difference on ours is we do include those verticals for the end walls, which are not commonly found on a lot of kits on the market. Continuing on with the lineup is the tried and true all-metal hoop house from Bootstrap Farmer that we have had since day one. The difference is it's now made in our warehouse instead of a third-party fabrication facility. It's our full all-metal round hoop house kit that arrives complete with plastic, hardware, and core components for growers ready to install without extra sourcing. Standard in these kits are all-metal US frames, single doors, 4-year 6mm greenhouse film, metal hip and baseboard, and there's multiple door options, shade, landscape fabric, reinforcement options, repair tape, active and passive ventilation, roll-up sides, and extended length. New for 2026 is that all-metal kit bundled with all of the common options that most growers end up selecting. In addition to this, it also comes with a full truss and reinforcement kit to give you the best result. This lets us pre-bundle the kits and combine shipping with all of those extra components right in the same crate to reduce your startup cost overall. New for 2026, the Essential Gothic. It is a cost-conscious Gothic hoop house configuration designed for improved snow and water shedding while keeping the price approachable. Base kit includes the Gothic frame with US metal, single door, 4-year 6mm greenhouse covering, all of the hardware, corner wind braces, and additional purlins. Your wood hip and base are purchased locally to save on some shipping. All of the standard options for all of the rest of the hoop houses also apply to the Essential Gothic. New for 2026, the Gothic Premium, a premium Gothic hoop house configuration offering stronger integrated reinforcement and better load handling for growers managing harsher seasonal conditions. Standard in the base kit is the Gothic frame, single door, 4-year 6mm greenhouse covering, all of the hardware, metal hip and baseboard, corner wind braces, additional purlins, roll-up sides, and a truss kit. Options include a double door, shade, landscape fabric, repair tape, and custom lengths. Also new for 2026 is our 10-foot hoop house. It's a compact kit with standard 4-foot spacing for increased rigidity, designed for growers with narrow beds, tighter properties, or focused production zones. Standard in the kit is a 10-foot wide frame, 4-foot spacing, single door, 4-year 6mm greenhouse film, all of the hardware, and all of the options to make that little hoop house customizable for your grow. Last up on the list is the Hobby Hoop House, which we announced at the end of 2025. It's a smaller scale greenhouse for focused growing spaces in compact yards for serious hobbyists where a full-size footprint is not required. Standard in the base kit, steel US frame, 6-foot hoop spacing, 4-year 6mm greenhouse covering, and the hardware. You'll purchase your hip and baseboards locally to help save on shipping, and you can add any of the other options that's included with the kit. Talk to your tech specialist to make that your own. Any questions you may have about what's included with the kits or the options are in the listings. When it's time to price out your hoop house, it's natural to get bids from a lot of other folks. We challenge you to bring any of that bid to us so we can meet or beat those prices while delivering a kit made in the US with US raw material. And since you've stayed with us this long in this video, here's that giveaway we talked about. We're giving away a $500 store credit to Bootstrap Farmer. To enter, just leave a comment on this video before Friday, January 15th at 11:59 p.m. Central. One comment per person counts. We will randomly select the winner on Saturday, January 16th. The winner will be announced in our next video, which drops Sunday, January 17th at 9 a.m. Central, in which we have some other special announcements. After the winner is announced, they will have 72 hours to email us using the address in the description to claim their credit. If they do not contact us in time, we will draw a new name. No purchase is needed to enter this giveaway, and it's not sponsored by YouTube. Full rules are in the description below. Comment with the single most confusing part of choosing a greenhouse. Your input shows us where clarity matters most. Thanks for watching and choosing Bootstrap Farmer USA-made farm equipment.